I'm Audrey Chisholm with Chisholm Law Firm. We help companies and individuals start and grow nonprofits that impact the world. A question I'm often asked is, what do you need to legally accept donations? Well, technically, you can accept donations without anything in place, but that wouldn't be the best way to legally protect yourself. So here are 5 things you need to legally accept donations. Number 1, your IRS tax-exempt status. Yes, you can technically get donations from people without having your tax-exempt status, but there are some benefits to having it. Primarily, many donors will want to know that they can get a tax write-off for the amount that they're giving to your charity. For example, if they're choosing between donating to 2 separate charities, knowing that they can write off their donation on their taxes may be the deciding factor to get them to say yes to your nonprofit over someone else's. Number 2, a bank account in the name of your nonprofit. Although it may seem convenient to get donations through your personal Cash App or your personal PayPal account, you want to have a bank account with the name of your nonprofit so that you can process payments in the name of your nonprofit. Why? Because there may be some donors that feel a little uncomfortable about giving a donation to a charity to your personal bank account. Also, for tax purposes, you want the IRS to know that the funds you received are for your nonprofit and they're not taxable income to you personally. Number 3, contribution statement. We always recommend that you give donors a contribution statement when accepting donations. While the IRS only requires that you give a contribution statement for donations over $250, or if you provide goods or services for gifts over $75, we still recommend that you give contribution statements for all donations. Why? Because giving a contribution statement clarifies that the money that was given was a donation. It also lets you share your appreciation to the donor and gives you an opportunity to highlight many of the accomplishments of your nonprofit. Number 4, a receipt. I always recommend that you make sure that your payment or merchant processor gives donors an immediate receipt automatically when a payment is received. This helps to eliminate any confusion as to the fact that they gave to your nonprofit. Number 5, a donor agreement. Although you don't always need one, we recommend that you have a nonprofit attorney prepare a donor agreement if a donor approaches you with the intent to make a significant gift to your nonprofit. A donor agreement is a legal document that shares the rules surrounding a large charitable gift. This agreement will lay out the rules for the donation and make sure that both parties comply with the IRS. A donor agreement is critical if the gift comes with restrictions or stipulations. These are just a few of the things you should have to legally accept donations. If you need help setting up your nonprofit's financial paperwork, Chisholm Law Firm has helped thousands of companies and individuals start and grow nonprofits that impact the world. Give us a call at the number on your screen or click the link below to schedule a free consultation. And remember, it shouldn't be this hard to be a superhero.